Hi, good morning. I'm Gushri and this is Car Program. We created a toy car and the toy car name is Lightning Mustang. Okay, we named it Lightning Mustang. This is to teach the concept of mass and distance for year 3 or year 4 students. And we based it on the syllabus of Singapore primary syllabus. And what is this concept? This toy car is made from covers and PVC pipe, rubber band, cardboards, and sticks. So it's all very safe to be used. It is child friendly because we didn't want to use anything sharp that would cause any injury during any lesson time, and also when students are playing with it. So how is this toy car going to be implemented during the lesson time? Is basically mass and distance to see the relationship. It's very abstract for students, especially if they're year 3 and year 4 students. So to help them visualize it better, we're going to implement this in the classroom. So as mass increases, the distance decreases. So that concept we wish to instill in students. And so we're going to divide them into groups. We're going to give them a worksheet, and then they are to answer few questions, and also to understand what mass is about first, what is distance, and how they play a relationship all together. So we're going to give them, actually we have used pebbles here to act as the mass, but they are free to use any objects that they wish to choose during the lesson. So Karpagam is going to demonstrate how this works, and also we're going to turn this 10 times. Why 10 times? We want to keep the force constant here because we don't want students to I moved 11 times. So obviously by default it will move faster. And if they were to turn only 2 times, it might not move as fast as it's supposed to be. So 10 is the constant variable here. Okay, so it moved from a certain distance, so they're first to record how far it has traveled. And then sorry.
Can you do it again without pushing the car?
Yeah. Okay. All right. And from the straight line. Then, straight line. Yeah. Okay. So it moved to a certain distance, and then we'll add and then same thing 10 times again, and now they're going to record the distance again. So you see, actually by right, the heavier the object, it might not move. So maybe they can add step by step, maybe 2 pebbles, then 3 slowly, so that it will move they will observe the changes over time. And this toy can also be used not only to teach the concept of mass and distance, it's very versatile to teach the concept of maybe potential to kinetic energy, so energy transformation, and also maybe to teach the concept of friction. So this one, for friction, obviously you don't need the mass here. They can just turn it 10 times on a smooth surface and on a rough surface, and then they can see how the car has traveled. So what we have designed this actually to teach the concept of mass and distance. But if we wish to teach it later on, we can use it for the other chapters as well. Yeah.